Hi everyone, I'm going to show you guys how to solve this MIT integral. So this one might look a bit complex, but all you have to do is use a simple trick for this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the numerator and denominator by x. So if I divide every term by x, what do I get? This is what I get, right? So you can see x cancels off, and sorry, I forgot to write down x over there, so you can cancel off that. So what I basically did is I divided every term on the numerator and denominator by x. Alright, so now we have ln x into cos x minus sine x. Instead of writing it as sine x over x, I'm going to write it as sine x into 1 over x over ln x to the power 2, right? So now, can you see, if I differentiate sine x, I get cos x. And if I differentiate ln x, I get 1 over x, right? So what can you see here? So if I write this down again, minus sine x into 1 over x over ln x to the power 2. If I take this term as v and this term as u, what's these two terms? What can you rewrite them as? You know, instead of writing it like this, let me write it like this. I'll write it like this, ln x into, now cos x is the derivative of sine x, right? So I'll write it as d sine x. The differentiation of sine x gives you cos x. So I'm just going to write it like this, right? Minus sine x into the differentiation of ln x gives you 1 over x, okay, over ln x to the power 2 dot dx. Okay, now if I take this term as v and this term as u, what are these two terms? What do you guys think? So if this is u, sorry, if this is v, if this is u, and if sine x is u, what's d sine x? What does that mean? That's the derivation, right? So it's going to be du over dx. So if u equals to sine x, du over dx equals cos x, right? And if v equals to ln x, dv over dx equals to 1 over x. Can you see that? Easy, right? And what's this? What's ln x to the power 2? That's v squared. You can see v equals to ln x. So ln x squared is v squared. So this gives you the formula v into du over dx minus u into dv over dx over v squared. Now what is this? This is called the quotient rule, right? One of the basics in differentiation. So in order to carry out this step, our terms, if this is the derivative, what should the integral be? What should it look like? So the derivative of u over v gives you this formula, right? The derivative of u over v gives you this whole formula. So meaning, what's the answer going to be for this integral? It's going to be u over v. So what's u? Sine x. And what's v? It's ln x, right? So this is your final answer for this question. It's basically sine x over ln x. If you guys want me to show it, let's do it. So this is u, this is v. So ln x, I'm sorry, it's the other way around. This is v, this is u. So it's ln x into the derivative of u, which is cos x, minus sine x into the derivative, which is a derivation of ln x, which is 1 over x, over ln x squared. See, you get the same thing. This was basically the question we had. So meaning sine x over ln x is your final answer. And that's everything for this question. If you guys have any doubts, please drop a comment. I'll help you guys out. And if you guys like my teaching, leave a like and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you so much.